Hello student of class 11, this is the continuation part of the quadratic equation and this is the 7th video. Let A, B, C be real numbers and A not equal to 0 and alpha beta be the roots of the equation A x square plus B x plus C equal to 0, alpha beta roots of the equation. Express the roots of a cube x square plus a b c x plus c cube equal to 0. Express the root of this equation in terms of alpha beta. From here we will get alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a and alpha beta equal to c by a. And if I divide both side by a cube, a b c by a cube x plus c cube by a cube, we will get x square plus c by a b by a, 1a is cancel out, x plus c by a whole cube equal to 0. So this can be written in this way, x square plus b by a equal to minus alpha plus beta and alpha beta into x plus alpha beta whole cube equal to 0. This equal to x square minus x square minus alpha square beta plus beta square alpha x plus alpha square beta into beta square alpha. Alpha cube beta cube can be written in this way, alpha square beta into beta square alpha. So from this equation it is clear that alpha square, sum of the roots is alpha square beta plus beta square alpha. This is the sum of the roots, and product of the roots alpha square beta and beta square alpha. This is the product of the roots. So I can say alpha square beta and beta square alpha, that means alpha square beta and beta square alpha are the two roots of this equation. Okay. Second one is if alpha be a root of the quadratic equation 4x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0, alpha root of this equation, prove that 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha is its another root. Let it is given that alpha is a root of this equation. Let beta be another root and we have to prove beta equal to this. Beta is another root and beta equal to this, we have to prove it. If alpha is a root of this equation, that means 4 alpha square plus 2 alpha minus 1, this is equal to 0. That means alpha satisfies the equation, we know it. And from here I will write alpha plus I can write alpha plus beta equal to minus 2 by 4, that means minus half, and alpha beta equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay. From here I will write beta equal to minus half minus alpha, and from here I will write 4 alpha square, this is equal to 1 minus 2 alpha. Okay. So 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha, alpha is taken from here, 4 alpha square minus 2 alpha, sorry 3 alpha, 4 alpha square minus 3 alpha, 4 alpha square minus 3 alpha, 4 alpha square equal to 1 minus 2 alpha minus 3, this equal to alpha minus 2 alpha minus 2. Okay. That means minus 2 alpha square minus 2 alpha. From here I can write we have to prove beta equal to 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha. This equal to 1 by 4 and this equal to minus 4 alpha square minus 4 alpha, and minus is common from here, that means minus 1. Minus 2 alpha square minus 2 alpha, and this is equal to half is common from here, and this is equal to half, that means minus 2 alpha square minus 2 alpha, minus half common from here, 4 alpha square minus 4 alpha. I know 4 alpha square equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2 alpha plus 4 alpha, this is equal to minus half 1 plus 2 alpha, 1 plus 2 alpha, and this is equal to minus half minus alpha, minus half minus alpha, and I know from this equation x square plus 4x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0, alpha beta, two roots of this equation, that means alpha plus beta equal to minus 2 by 4, alpha plus beta equal to minus half, the beta equal to minus half minus alpha, minus half minus alpha, that is equal to beta. So 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha equal to, I will get beta. We have to prove this, and hence it is proved. I am ending here.